Yeah, great question. There was a declaration filed in court today by a law enforcement official from the Department of Justice. Now, before I tell you what it said, Brian, I don't want to tease our audience, but we have to remember that the judge, the trial court judge in Maryland, ordered the Department of Justice, ordered the Trump administration to provide a declaration on three things: where Abrego Garcia is, what steps the Trump administration has taken to, quote, facilitate his return, which is what the Supreme Court ordered, and three, what additional steps will be taken. Well, the Department of Justice completely failed to abide by the court order to provide that declaration with those three asks of the judge. And for that, here is what the judge said in a brand new order that was issued within the past 24 hours. This is Judge Shines from the Maryland Federal Court. Defendants have failed to comply with this court's order directing that you provide information about his current physical location and custodial status. 2, what steps, if any, have you taken to facilitate his immediate return to the United States? And 3, what additional steps will you take to facilitate his return? And basically, the Department of Justice blew it off. So the judge has now found that they violated that order. We'll talk about where that may head in a minute. And then they belatedly filed a declaration today. And I think this is going to really set the judge off, as well it should. They again had the opportunity to answer those three questions after violating the order once. And here is what the DOJ law enforcement official said.